All right. If you've accidentally deleted data or formatted your USB drive or hard drive, or if your USB drive is experiencing issues such as file system corruption, an unsupported or raw format, physical damage, a lost partition, bad sectors, or incompatible devices, don't panic. The tool I'm going to show you in this video will save the day. You can run an advanced scan of your USB drive completely free of charge. This allows you to check if your lost files are still recoverable, so you'll avoid paying for a recovery that might not work in your specific case. Welcome back. Today we're covering USB data recovery using a tool called 4DIDG Data Recovery by TenShare. Go to the link in the video description. This takes you directly to the 4DIDG Windows Data Recovery page on TenShare's official website. Click the download button for the Windows version or for macOS if you are using macOS. The installer is straightforward. Run it, follow the setup wizard, and 4DIDG will be installed and ready in about a minute. One important note before we continue: do not install 4DIDG onto the drive you're trying to recover. Install it on your PC's internal drive, the C drive. Installing anything onto the drive you're recovering from risks overwriting the very data you're trying to rescue. Let's walk through the complete recovery process. Open 4DIDG Data Recovery. The tool offers several options, including data recovery from hard drives, SD cards, cameras, cloud drives, crashed PCs, NAS devices, and more, as well as a feature to repair files and a toolbox for recovering data from your smartphones. The main interface shows all storage devices connected to your PC, your internal drives, and any external drives, including your USB flash drive. If you have multiple drives, click Scan Disk just below. The tool scans all drives and displays them by name and model, and tells you whether they are external or internal drives. Find your USB drive in the list and click on it to select it. Click Scan to begin. Before the scan begins, 4DIDG gives you the option to filter by file type. You'll see categories: photo, video, document, audio, and more. If you know what type of files you lost, for example, only photos and videos, it supports over 2,000 file types. Select those specific categories to focus the scan and speed up the process. If you're not sure, leave all types selected for a comprehensive scan and click on Scan Selected File Types. Go to the Type tab to view the recovered files by type in real time. 4DIDG performs two phases of scanning. The first is a quick scan that finds recently deleted files rapidly. The second is a deep scan that goes further into the drive's data structure to find files from formatted drives, corrupted partitions, or older deletions. During the scan, files will appear progressively in the results panel as they're discovered. You can see the file names, sizes, and paths populating in real time. This is the step that tells you whether your recovery will be successful. Once the scan finishes, click on individual files in the results to preview them. For videos, you'll see the actual video thumbnail. For photos, you'll see images. If files preview correctly and look intact, they're recoverable. Now that you're sure your data is there and ready to be recovered, go ahead and click the link in the description of this video. Purchase the license, click the key icon in the upper right corner, and then activate your Pro license to access all the features. Check the boxes next to every file you want to recover. You can select individual files, select entire folders, or select all results at once if you want everything back. Click Recover. A dialog will ask where to save the recovered files. Do not save the recovered files back to the same USB drive you're recovering from. Choose a completely different location: your PC's C drive, a different external drive, or a cloud folder. Saving to the source drive risks overwriting other recoverable files that haven't been extracted yet. Click Save Now and watch the recovery complete. Depending on how many files and their total size, this takes anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Once recovery is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the files and verify everything came back correctly. Open documents, check photos, play any videos, confirm the files are intact before declaring success. The link to 4D IDIG is in the video description and pinned in the comments below. If you're dealing with missing USB files right now, go run the free scan. It costs nothing and tells you exactly what you're working with. Drop a comment if the recovery worked for you, or if you have questions about a specific USB issue you're dealing with. A like and a subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical tech guides every day. Thanks for watching. I hope you get your files back.